Looks like I went up in weight just a tad. Totally normal to go up and down with your weight. No worries though. It appears that I went up 0.7 pounds, which is kind of interesting because I only had, let's see, 1283 calories, so 1,283 calories, so just under 1,300 calories, which is actually really low. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen. I use an app called Carb Manager, which is kind of a keto app that really tracks your carbohydrate content, which I'm not having any. I haven't had any since January 1st. So kind of interesting that I went up. Now, it's very possible that I'm dehydrated. So sometimes your body will hold on to water, and that's why I gained weight. I didn't work out yesterday. It was an off day. So it could be a variety of factors. Now, tomorrow is Saturday. I do a full fast on Saturday, and I won't eat again until Sunday in the afternoon. So I'll definitely be able to take that off. I'll probably even lose a couple pounds by the time Saturday is over. So that's the update. So today I get to get in, I get to work out, and looking forward to it. The sun is back. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's still cold, but we got some sun. We're just gonna be dropping off Liam to school today. It's Friday, and I'm gonna be going to the gym. Did gain a little bit of weight, 0.7, like I said earlier. That's okay. It's probably because I didn't work out and probably a little dehydrated, but hey, I'll be fasting all day tomorrow, so I'll probably drop a couple more pounds. Looks like we have some Bluebell ice cream outside the gym parking lot. Interesting. All right, so here we go. Heading to Crunch Fitness. Let's go. I absolutely hate doing reverse lunges on a barbell. But you know what? If you're doing an exercise that scares you, you're on the right track. Because what doesn't challenge you won't change you. All right, got it in there. So I increased my weight on the reverse lunge by like 5 pounds. That doesn't sound like much, but when you're doing one leg at a time, it definitely makes a difference. Progress is progress. I cannot do one meal a day. I'll explain why in just a sec. All right, so the workout started off really strong, and then I noticed as I kept progressing, I just wasn't able to recover quick enough between my sets. So I think I'm probably eating really low on my calories all this week. I've done one meal a day, and I'm gonna quit doing OMAD for 2 reasons. Number one, I'm not recovering in between my sets very well. All right, so I think I'm too low on calories. The second thing is I'm gonna be fasting tomorrow all day until Sunday, so it doesn't really make sense to have one meal today, fast all day tomorrow, and then not eat till Sunday. Not very smart, because you gotta remember, the most important thing about weight loss, it's not about just cutting calories, okay? You wanna preserve muscle and build muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories you're gonna burn. Now with that said, I gotta make another Costco haul, so I gotta go ahead and get some eggs. I'm trying to think what else I need. I'm gonna be eating a lot of egg whites with my 4 eggs for my first meal today. So I'm not gonna be doing the one meal at 3 p.m. I'm probably gonna do a Costco haul. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get 4 eggs, and I'm just gonna pound the egg whites, because egg whites are just pure protein. I need my protein, because in order to build muscle and preserve it, I gotta be getting 200 grams of protein, and I'm just not getting that. I think yesterday I didn't even hit 100 grams, and it's because my calories were just too low. So what we're gonna do, 4 eggs, egg whites, I might do some avocado, And then for my second meal, I'll probably have around 5. I'm gonna be doing some chicken breast on the grill. That's gonna get me a lot of protein as well. It's not really a carnivore thing, the chicken, because it's very lean, but I just need the protein. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Costco. Maybe what I'll do is I'll go in there and I'll show you a couple items that you can have that are gonna really benefit you as far as your weight loss go. There's a lot of healthy options at Costco. I mean, the choices are just endless, so stay tuned. I've discovered the best way to get around Costco is go down the sides and the back. You can get to your destination much quicker. Okay, these are really good. Sliced grass-fed beef sirloin. If you remember my other video, I made these. These are excellent if you want to stay on your goals. So we have our organic eggs here. The thing is, it's gone up $2 since last week. They were $7.99, now they're $9.99. Eggs, come on, let's bring the eggs down. And we can't forget bacon. You get quite a bit of bacon in this brand here, in Kirkland's brand. So you get 48 to 50 slices. We buy these once in a while. Organic chicken sausage, no sugar. These are good as well. We also got some wild caught salmon. These are really good. Make sure to get wild caught, not farm raised. So you guys know one thing that's a staple in my meal is avocados. Can you believe Costco is out of avocados? I asked the guy and he said it's been 2 days, no avocados. If anyone knows what's going on with the avocados, drop me a comment. I got it, that's a staple, you know me. Now you can't have these on Carnivore. However, when I stop Carnivore and do Keto, macadamia nuts. I absolutely love macadamia nuts. Be careful though, the calories add up really, really quick. Heading home, and obviously I couldn't show you everything in Costco. I mean, there's so much stuff. I mean, there's, steak, there's ground beef, there's seafood. I mean, it just goes on and on. I just want to give you a little bit of a taste how you can still reach your goals and eat really tasty foods as long as you just know what to eat. So I'm probably gonna go home, make my first meal, and then I'm actually gonna have a second meal around 5 o'clock, and then I'll be fasting all day tomorrow until Sunday afternoon. All right, so we got 4 eggs, and I put 8 ounces of egg whites in there, and we're gonna have bacon. That'll be my first meal of the day. Simple meal. So we got 4 eggs, we got 8 ounces of egg whites, 4 pieces of bacon. This is about 685 calories and 61 grams of protein. So this will be a good start until my second meal at around 5 o'clock. All right, so we are done eating, and every time I eat, I have to take a walk. It's actually very healthy to take a walk right after you eat, only for 15 minutes. That's all you really need, because you got to get those blood sugars down. It's been shown that whenever you, lock this door real quick, whenever you eat, you elevate your blood sugar levels a little bit. Not so much though when you do carnivore. When you don't eat carbs and sugars, your blood sugars are pretty stable, but I still like to get 15 minutes of walking. It's very important. What most people do is they sit down on the couch and watch TV. You don't want to do that. So I'm gonna be getting some movement today, just 15 minutes. And I would suggest that you really practice that instead of just sitting on the couch. Second meal is on deck. So we got some nice marinating chicken breasts. This has been marinating since yesterday. So this is gonna be really nice and tender. It's like a garlic herb marinade. This is gonna be excellent. I love chicken, especially when you marinate it right and you have it marinating for a while. These are gonna be really juicy and really tender. Let's get these bad boys on the grill. It's gonna be really, really nice. Man, it's gonna be nice. Ain't nothing like juicy grilled chicken. Woo. Feels good. Really cold in Florida, so we got it all in there. All right, let's close that. I had to put my sweater back on. It's starting to get chilly again. Now, I'm just gonna talk to you for a little bit while we grill these chickens, and they're looking good. Now here's the thing, that is real food, okay? You ever wondered why there's a health food section in the grocery store? If there's a health food section in the grocery store, then what is all the other stuff? Like, what do you call that? It just amazes me that they actually have to make health food sections in the grocery store when actually that's real food. If you just keep it really simple, I like to use an acronym called KISS. Keep it stupid simple. You keep it that simple, whole food, one ingredient food, okay? If you get a package of food and there's just a plethora of ingredients on it, it's not good for you. Stick to one ingredient food, okay? That's like all your meats, like your cheeses, things like that. You are gonna make out so much better, and you're gonna feel better, and you're gonna be much, much healthier, all right? And you can't go wrong with some nice grilled chicken. Now, I haven't had chicken all this year because I've been on the carnivore diet, but since I'm eating two meals today, we're gonna keep this one really, really lean. I had a more fattier meal earlier in the day, so we're gonna keep it light tonight because I don't like to eat too late. And one thing you always wanna remember is you wanna try to eat before the sun goes down, okay? And the reason for that is when the sun goes down, your body's getting ready for sleep. It's all about circadian rhythms, okay? So if you can, sometimes you can't, but you want to try to make that the majority of the time, okay? All right, so those will probably be done in just a second, but so like I said earlier, I'm going to be adjusting my OMAD, my nutrition. Now, I'm not going to totally do away with OMAD, but I'm going to use it as a tool in my toolbox, okay? So what I'll probably do is do OMAD on the days that I don't work out. I'm going to do my one fast on Saturday and not eat until Sunday. I think that's a much better approach. And at the end of the day, what I would highly recommend, something that will trump all of that, is just listen to your body, okay? That's going to give you the best indication as to, do I eat one meal? Do I eat two meals? You know, that's going to really help you. Just listen to your body, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment at the bottom of this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow, but I'm not going to show you any food because I'm going to be fasting, all right? So talk soon.